great. It may or may not. Hey, we're newbies like you, but we just came in and ran a little extra bead on the door side up against this lip.
And lays down.
Just a quick tip. We were talking about how we had a slight gap over here, and even with our gap seal, we weren't certain if it would seal up all the way. So what we did is a quick fix, and we're going to give it a shot. If it works, great. It may or may not. Hey, we're newbies like you, but we just came in and ran a little extra bead on the door side up against this lip.
And lays down perfectly right down there.
It just lays right in on that lip, and you know, so it may season and settle down a little bit, and when we shut it, it seems like it seals it up really well. Now on this side we may have a slight gap over here, so we'll do the same thing on this side. We're just going to play with it. I mean, this is a cheap fix. The gaskets aren't that expensive, and who knows, we may just find a trick that we'd like to share with all of you. If it works for us and it's a success, hey, we're DIY guys. We'll share it with you, right? That's what this channel is about. So weekend barbecues, we're about helping you enjoy your passion of grilling and smoking. So